Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe Martyrs Week from Wednesday till 13th July 2022 to remember Kashmiri martyrs who laid their lives for the freedom of their motherland from illegal occupation and physical oppression. According to Kashmir Media Service, call for the observance of the week has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. The APHC, in a statement issued in Srinagar, urged the Kashmiris living in occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and other parts of the world to hold anti-India rallies, take out processions and arrange seminars to highlight the sufferings of Kashmiri people at the hands of brutal Indian forces in the occupied territory. A calendar issued by the APHC on the occasion detailed various programs to be observed in connection with the Martyrs Week in the occupied territory. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, in a statement in Srinagar, urged world human rights bodies to take effective notice of the shifting of over 50 Kashmiris from Jammu to different jails of India. The statement said the move is aimed to inflict pain and miseries on the Kashmiri detainees and their families. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti, in a tweet, said the BJP is using criminal elements to perpetuate its Hindutva agenda of communal division and hatred inside India and in the occupied territory. She said earlier a perpetrator of the Udaipur murder incident and now a militant caught in Rajouri both have active links with the ruling party of India. The Jammu and Kashmir Pradesh Congress Committee, in a statement in Jammu, also sought explanation from the Hindutva party over the matter. Meanwhile, Indian media has reported that due to objection by some G20 countries, particularly China, the venue of the summit is likely to be shifted from previously announced Srinagar in occupied Jammu and Kashmir to New Delhi in India. Though the Modi government has yet not confirmed the development, the media suggests the key infrastructure for the G20 summit is now built in Delhi's Pragati Maidan.